Okay, this is a test. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so that's the end of last song. This is Sweet Child of Mine. Hopefully we can hear me. Okay, so this is How Sweet It Is to Be Loved by You. We have a few 8-count moves where we had mostly 16-count moves in the last one. Flag, be prepared to move a little bit. We have, I think, 4 moves. I think pretty much everybody has about 4 moves in the song, which ends up to be about 12 pages. You should be in the same spot, and what you're looking at right now is the end of the song, not the beginning. That's just the way this program does it. As soon as I start it, it'll go back to the beginning of this song, which is the very ending of Sweet Child of Mine, and I believe everybody holds here for a little bit. Here we go. Except for the flags, apparently. 16-count move. Alright, here we come. 5, 6, 7, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. Flags move 8 counts. Got a 16-count move coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the woodwinds move. 1, 2, 3. Highlight. 13, 14, 15 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Little football thing. 6, 7, push. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hold. 2, 3, 4. Flags moving there on the halt. 13, 14, 15. Flags halt. Leave the brass move on this next move. And flags. Now woodwind move. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and hold. And that's it.